Hey there folks, got a new tool, an M12 Milwaukee Rotary Tool, model 2460-20. They were actually on sale at a big box store. I didn't have one, so I got it. Now, I actually do have two existing rotary tools. I have this very old but still working Dremel. It's a model 395. I came in a Dremel case. And I have this very inexpensive, quite loud job meat. But as you notice, there's a big, long extension cord with them. Sometimes that's a real pain in the butt, dragging out an extension cord to use it in some sort of location where you don't really want a cord. So that's why I went and picked up this, because I have a lot of M12 stuff, and I figured this would be a nice addition to the arsenal. Now let's unbox this puppy. This is a tool only. No battery, which is fine. I've got lots of M12 batteries. What have I got in there? Okay, just more cardboard. So this looks like a couple of cutoff blades and a tool. A manual here on MX fuel equipment. I'll just take a look at that later. And an instruction manual. And here's the tool. So looking at it, we have an on and off switch here. Variable speed. It's not overly heavy. You can feel the motors right there. This looks like a button that you press to lock the chuck. Oh, so this chuck, you need a little wrench for it. Okay, the other Dremel, the Dremel and the job meat, you can just tighten with your finger. Oh, cute. That's an even little Milwaukee branded wrench. Sweet. Okay, so I need to... Actually, no. You don't need the wrench. There's a little grippy section right there with flat right there. So you can unscrew it. Okay, this just allows you to tighten it up a little bit more. Pop that in there. Tighten it up. Give it a little nudge with that. Just pop in a battery. I like these in the M12 so that you can stand it like that. Otherwise, they're going to be laying, down flat. Now, that might be a little awkward. Yeah, that will be awkward. Let's just rob this battery off that. It will be awkward trying to use this with any detail. So let's remove that. Is that one? Okay, yeah, this is more balanced. So let's say turn it on. Oh, it's spinning there, and I can up at 6. Okay, cool. It's very light. It's going to be very convenient when I need it, so I don't have to drag out my other ones with the cords. And the operator's manual, a whole bunch of stuff on work area safety, power tool care. This is my favorite drill, by the way. It's a Milwaukee Fuel. I forget what's the model number on this. 3404. That is one powerful beast. I use this on the jack, my scissor jack, to lift up my car to change the tires. Okay, so we have the collet nut, spindle lock, speed dial. Oops, there you go. Oh, fuel gauge and the on-off switch. How to install the different collets and stuff. I would assume that they're probably interchangeable with Dremels and the other ones. I haven't tried it yet, but actually, let's just try it. Okay, and let's pop that out. Go get another collet. Let's try this collet here for my ancient Dremel kit. Be great if it, yes, it is, look. Sweet. So the parts are, I won't say interchangeable, but they can be used, which is great. Because I might, well, I will be using the old Dremel attachments in this. Sweet. And it also speaks to the different accessories, the grinding wheel, cutting wheel, router bits, using the rotary tool. Starting and stopping, I'll have to read that later before I use it. And then it gets into French. You know, that's just an unboxing of the Milwaukee 2460 bare tool rotary tool. Can't wait to use it. Thanks for watching.